Talk about the person named Condoleezza Rice. Her birthday was on November 14, 1954. Her birthplace was
Oh, Birmingham, Alabama?
Birmingham, Alabama. The reason for her being an American hero is she fought for freedom and tried to end slavery. She was the first African American to serve as a U.S. Secretary of State. Rice is also the first woman to serve as National Security Advisor. She was the first black woman, second African American, and the second woman to serve as Secretary of State. She was named as one of the richest women in Forbes 2005. She was widely regarded as being an extremely strong Secretary of State with an excellent background in diplomacy, and international politics. She also is an accomplished patient who has numerous dreams of becoming a professional concert pianist. Condoleezza Rice is the sister U.S. Secretary of State. It changes lives that is why people work so hard to become educated and why education has always been the key of the American dream. The force that erases arbitrary divisions of race, class, and culture and unlocks every person's God-given potential.
Oh, did you forget one?
This one, I did it.
What about your outfit? Your dress. Your outfit.
My dad bought this at Kohl's. It was just a normal dress, and then I decided to wear it for this person.
She always has to dress up, doesn't she? I did not know that she was one of the richest women in 2005. That's shocking. Wow. What about the hardest part of everything?
It was when I had to type this part and decorate the.
Took a long time. With the peace signs too. Are there stickers?
Yeah.
'Cause she-
Meghana, what else do you know about her?
She never got married.
Oh. I didn't know that either.
And where does she live?
She lives here in California right now.
Didn't know that either. See, I learned more from you guys than I already knew. What?
Where does she live in California?
I don't know. Does she live near Sacramento or no?
No.
No, far away. And what was the best part?
I like us to print out these pictures.
Yeah. Yep. Okay, now it's your turn to ask questions.
I can. Did she work with Martin Luther King?
For his thoughts. What did you say, Hannah?
I like the drawing.
I know. You even did her hair, how it goes out. That looks,
nice.
yeah, it's beautiful. That is a true
That's
portrait.
what it was.
Yeah, that was a hard portrait to draw.
That's what it was.
Okay, thank you very much. How about a round of applause for Megan?